my banana smoothie. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you how I make my banana smoothie. So I have here medium ripe banana, have some dry cranberry and some raisin, and I have my ice, some crushed ice. I have my Ensure that I will be using, and I also have some water. Yes, and I also have some honey that I will be using this time around. So I'm gonna get started, guys. I'm gonna cut up my banana to add. Okay, my banana. Then I'm gonna add my raisin and my cranberry. Okay, then I'm gonna add my Ensure. So guys, I'm gonna be using 3 tablespoons of Ensure. You can choose not to use the Ensure if you're allergic to those things. You can choose to use a juice or something else. So guys, I will be adding my honey. I'm gonna be using 1 tablespoon of honey. So you can choose not to use the honey also, and use what you prefer to use as a sweetener, or no sweetener at all. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding the ice, the crushed ice, some water, because the Ensure is powder, so you will need some water. So you then cover this and then blend. And there you have it, guys, my banana smoothie. So I'm gonna glass this now. Look at this color, guys. Isn't it lovely? Yes, it is. My banana smoothie. Go ahead, guys, and try this smoothie. You will love it. Okay, this tastes so lovely, guys. The banana with the Ensure, it's the bomb. Go ahead and try it. You will love it, guys. Yes. So remember, guys, to like my video, share it to your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe, tell a friend to come on over, share it, share it, share it. Okay, guys, this is good for the entire family. All right, guys, remember to follow me on all social, and don't forget, guys, to leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about my ripe banana smoothie. Tell me if you're going to make it. Just leave me a comment, and remember to like up my videos. All right, guys. So guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.